Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is honey garlic chicken skewers. So let's get started. For this we need 625 grams of boneless chicken which is cubed as you can see it. To that we are going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of salt, then 1 tablespoon of lemon. Going to mix it really well and we'll keep it to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now we'll make the sauce. For that we need 3 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, then 3 tablespoons of cooking wine, then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of clear honey, then add 1 garlic clove which is chopped, then add 1 small ginger which is chopped. We're going to mix it really well. We'll keep it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Now we'll start cutting our vegetables which is about 2 inch each. You can see how we are cutting. Like this we are going to cut the other vegetables. We are using the yellow bell pepper too, and we will use the green bell pepper. Then we are using spring onions. It's optional, you can even use normal onions. We will start slicing the ginger, just 1 ginger for each skewers, which will give a juicy to the chicken. Then we are going to take the skewers and brush it with oil and we'll start inserting it. This is a very quick and easy recipe which can be just cooked by 10 minutes, and the preparation time is also just 10 minutes. Just add 1 ginger to 1 skewer. Look how colorful it is. Looks so pretty. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. We will brush with oil before taking it to the pan. We'll add oil and we'll brush it. Now we'll start keeping our skewers. And we'll flip it each interval of 5 minutes. And we'll brush it with oil in between so that it gets cooked well. Make sure you get it cooked well with each of the sides. Our 2 chicken skewers are now ready. You can see how it is cooked well. The other one needs to be cooked, so we are just going to keep it. Now we will brush the skewers with the sauce and drizzle it with more sauce. Make sure the sauce is spread evenly to each of the sides. That's it. Our honey garlic chicken skewers are now ready to serve. Sprinkle it with some spring onions. Prepare this quick, easy recipe and serve it with boiled rice. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications on that.